welcome. My name is Michael Comulada. I want to take this time really quick just to say thank you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the comments. If you're new here to the channel, I would like to go ahead and invite you to stick around to watch this video. And if you like the content I'm producing, you're welcome to become part of the family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you will see me every week here. Here at this channel, we review action figures, collectible toys, and from time to time, we do photography and video tutorials. And talking about tutorials, today we're gonna do something different. Today we're not gonna review an action figure or a toy, but today we're gonna do a behind the scenes video. And what I would like to do is I'm gonna challenge myself to photograph an action figure or one of my toys using only one light. Currently, I'm using the Godox SL60, if I got the model correct. If not, I'll put it down here below. And it's a big light. But today I wanted to challenge myself to use a small LED light, and we're gonna be using the Sokani X1, this little light right here. I reviewed this light in one of my videos. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link below in the description. Anyways, the challenge is I'm only gonna use this light to illuminate one of my action figures, okay? And that action figure that we're gonna be illuminating today is Mario from Amiibo. This little figure was released in 2014 by Amiibo, and gamers know what you use it for. You can use this for your game console, your Switch, I think also your Wii U. But anyways, this is a figure we're gonna be using in today's video. We're gonna go ahead and illuminate this figure using one light only. All right, so really quick, I wanna show you how I wanna use this light, okay? I wanna create, first thing I wanna do is I wanna create my key light, okay? So my first shot is gonna be somewhere from above here, okay? My second shot will be from this side right here. And what I wanna do with this shot is I wanna be able to create an edge light, okay? That makes the picture more interesting, or the product, but it also helps to separate the figure from the background or the product from the background. My third shot is gonna be the same one, but from his right side. We're doing the same thing here. And then last, I wanna be able to use this light right here, maybe from an angle right here, to lit up his fireball, okay? And maybe we'll also add another angle here. So at the end, the goal is to blend all the images together in Photoshop so we can get one final edit image. All right, and before we continue with our behind the scenes video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you really quick the equipment we're gonna be using for this shoot. First thing I recommend, if you have a tripod or a GorillaPod, just go ahead and bring it with you. We're gonna need this. And also we're gonna need a diffuser. If you have one of those 5-in-1 reflectors, like this one I'm gonna show you really quick, this will be perfect. If you're a photographer, you know what this is. Now when you open one of these, inside you have a diffuser, you have this translucent fabric material, and this will be perfect. If you don't have this, you can use your shower curtain, your window white curtains, any material that will help diffuse the light, the intensity of the light, all right? Also, we're gonna need toilet paper. Toilet paper, yes. Not really. We don't need the toilet paper, but we need what's inside the toilet paper, the cardboard tube. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this to narrow our light for some of our shots, okay? So when you turn on this light, it spreads everywhere, but in some of the shots we wanna be able to control the light, so we're gonna use this toilet cardboard tube. And I used it before and it works out perfect, okay? And also we're gonna need tape. If you have tape, it doesn't matter, anything that can hold this two pieces together, that'll work. So I'm using Gaffer tape, black tape, and I'm gonna use it right here to glue them together, okay? Just for the shoot. And last, we're gonna need a black foam board. Okay, we're using this to create our background. All right, we want to be able, if you have a busy background like I do right here, you can utilize something like this. Anything that is solid color. Black, I'm using black because it's what I have available. If you have gray, it will be even better. But it's mainly what we want to do is we want to create a background for the pictures, okay? You don't have to necessarily use this, but it will help you out, because in Photoshop, we're gonna cut Mario from the background and then we're gonna replace it with the new background we're gonna create, all right? All right, and now without further ado, I present you the behind the scenes one light challenge. Here you go. All right, so really quick, I forgot to mention, this is really important. Once you set up your camera on a tripod, make sure you do not move your camera. We suggest, if you can, use a shutter remote. If you don't have one, make sure you use the 10-second timer on your camera, all right? Also, very important that once you station your action figure or your product, in order for all these images to blend together, make sure the figure doesn't move at all. Okay, so the camera needs to be static, it needs to be stationed, you cannot move it. The same with the figure. The figure needs to be stationed and needs to be static, cannot move in order for this to work. All right, anyways, back to the video. Okay, we're back. Now we're gonna upload the pictures to the computer, and in Photoshop, we're gonna blend them together and get our final image. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video. I want to go ahead and thank each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your love, support. Thank you for the comments, the likes. It means a lot to me. If you did like this video, remember to hit that like button. If you're new here to the channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want me to notify you of new upcoming videos, make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, one last thing, if you have an Instagram account and you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is @michaels.collectibles. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.